Hello, I'm Leanne Chivers from Crafters Companion. Today we're going to be looking at a new range of pens designed by crafters for crafters called Spectrum Noir. These pens are alcohol based, which will give you beautiful seamless blending results every time. The pens have been put together in 12 different colourways, each themed to a specific colour, from pastel all the way through to the darker tones, which will allow you to achieve seamless and effortless blending of your colour every single time for each of your colouring projects. Each of these pens have both a detailed and chisel nib to allow you to achieve very fine detailed work, and also allow you to lay down large areas of colour when necessary. When the lids are on the pen, you can actually see a very fine line of grey which shows you which end is the bullet tip. This allows you to select which end of the pen you want to use easily and quickly when you have an awful lot of pens out like I do when you're doing a lot of colouring in. Or alternatively, we have a diagram on both ends so I can select the fine detail nib without having to take the tops on and off all the time. Each pen set has been put together with two sets of 3 colours that will work together in the same spectrum. So they're the lighter colours from the turquoise set, and we're going to have a look at the darker colours now. So if we just start with the lightest of the 3 and lay that down, and then build up to the darkest, you can see how those colours go together absolutely beautifully. To achieve your seamless blending, always go back over with the lightest colour, which will blend in the edges and allow you to achieve the blending that we all like to see. There are 168 pens available in this set, 72 in the main 12 colourways. We also have 4 other sets where we've put together pastels, lights, brights and darks to let you achieve all of the effects you need for your projects. Finally, we're going to have a look at how to colour in a full project, and we're going to start with the skin tone set from the Spectrum Noir pens. I'm going to start with the darkest colour and add some highlight to the face. I'm then going to move on to the second darkest colour, and I'm just going to go immediately underneath that first highlight and lay down a little more of this colour into the centre of the face. I'm then going to add some rosy cheeks, and then finally, to blend all of this in, we're going to use the lightest in the skin shade to go over the full base of the face and over all of that other shading, which will blend those colours in and give a beautiful, seamless little face. And to really make the detail pop, we're going to use a darker colour, and we're going to use very fine dotting motions to just pick up some detailed shading on the jacket. The fine nib on this pen makes that really easy for really detailed results. Blend this all in with the lighter colour for a beautiful shaded effect on the jacket. While I have my blue pens here, what I'd like to show you is how to add some colour to her eyes. So again, with the very fine nib, just very small dots underneath the pupil, gives her beautiful blue eyes. Finally, we're going to use the pale grey. We're going to trace around the whole image, and you will be able to see the real difference that this makes to your final project. These pens are extremely versatile and will allow you to colour any image you want for any project you are creating.